Hi guys, welcome to my channel FarazDev. In this video, I will teach you how you can create your own WordPress plugin within a few minutes. Before doing that, let's understand why we need to develop a new plugin. Well, WordPress comes up with several core functionality, but those core functionalities are not sometimes enough for our custom needs. So WordPress allows us to develop our custom functionality and add it into our website via hooks, etc. So instead of modifying the core WordPress code, it asks us to add our functionality via plugin because WordPress keeps updating their core source code. So with each update, our modification into the core will be overridden and will be removed. So that is why we are required to develop our custom functionality via plugins. Another advantage of the plugin is that we can install the plugin, we can develop the plugin once and install it into as many websites as we want. Also, we can enable or disable a functionality at any time when we want. So these are a few advantages of a plugin. Let's get started with developing a very simple plugin. I have already set up a WordPress into my local machine via WP local. This is the application. It is available for Mac OS and Windows as well. So I have already created a website which is available at this URL WordPress tutorials.local. As you can see in the browser, a WordPress installation is running actively. So this is the admin area which shows no plugins are available currently. And this is the IDE. In order to create a plugin, we need to go into WP content directory and then there is a plugin directory. The step one of creating a plugin is to create a directory with the name of your plugin. For example, our plugin will display the PHP version. So let's name the plugin as display PHP. As a second step, we will create a file, a PHP file inside of this directory. Let's name it display php.php. So these are the two steps needed to develop a plugin. Then we will write the PHP open tag. Okay, so in order for WordPress to understand that something is a plugin or not, WordPress needs a header which is written as command. So this header can accept various keys, but only one key is necessary or compulsory, which is plugin name, right? So the plugin name here is display PHP. So that is the bare minimum plugin that you can develop. So this is a plugin that is acceptable by the WordPress. Let's see. We go back to our admin area and refresh the page. You will see display PHP plugin is now available, which has been developed here. Let's name it something new and refresh the page. You will see the name has been updated here. Okay, so this is the bare minimum plugin. Let's activate it. The plugin was installed but not activated. Now it has been activated. Okay, let's see. On the home page, we want to display the PHP version that is running behind this WordPress installation. In order to do so, I will create an HTML h1 tag which will display the plugin PHP version. Okay, so let's refresh our home page. As you can see, the PHP version has been displayed right at the top of the page. Okay guys, so this is the simplest WordPress plugin that you can develop. There are many other keys available to add into the header, such as plugin URI, which is the URL of the plugin, which should be unique. You cannot you cannot mention WordPress.org here, etc. So this URI should be unique. Similarly, you can add plugin description as well. You can also add plugin version as well, etc. There are many more. You can find all of these keys in the WordPress the own documentation, but as a simplest plugin, only one thing is necessary, which is plugin name. I hope you like this video. I will add more videos like this in near future. No, if you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you can get the notification when a new video comes up. Until then, take care. Bye bye.